Maximize your summer fun in this 2019 PaloMini 180FB travel trailer from Hamilton's RV Outlet. The exterior of this 21-foot 8-inch travel trailer is fiberglass for easy cleaning and maintenance. Among the many features are frameless tinted safety glass windows and a power patio awning. LED interior lights provide more light with less power inside. And there are residential cabinets, valance-topped windows with pleated shades for light control and privacy, and a dinette that converts to additional sleeping space. The kitchen counter has a 2-burner gas cooktop and a sink mounted with a high-rise faucet. There's a microwave below the cooktop and a refrigerator with a storage cabinet above. Included in the master bath amenities are a vanity with a sink-mounted countertop and a medicine cabinet with mirrored door above. The full-height linen closet has upper and lower compartments, while the molded shower comes with a curtain enclosure. The marine toilet has a foot pedal flush. In the master bedroom, you'll find a queen bed with matching wardrobes on either side and overhead storage cabinets. Head over to hamiltonsrv.com now and get a better look at the vast selection of RVs available on our lot. Save thousands on the nation's most popular RVs and get started by giving us a call at 989-702-2735 to find out more. Don't delay, contact us today.